Виж, змия, кожа от змия. Виж, каква е хубава. Ще го вземем. Някак си на лежи може да стане инсталацията, Да.
Тя има много готино изкуство, бе, кава.
За какво правиш?
Мила, чай да видя аз. Такова да ги примат.
Искаш нещо да използваш?
Да!
Значи интересуваме отражението.
Hello, I'm Yeji from Korea. This year I'm a Dupini artist. This is my site, and this year Dupini artist main theme is back to the river. So I just picked this site and I made a web and called Water Wide Web. In modern society, we usually use and live in the web, such as internet and especially the World Wide Web, www. And actually, I don't think really connected in that place, and I don't think I'm really not part of it. So I just want to make a web to real connection, and this is a kind of web, and this web is a network for every life to think this water to the land, to roots and to live.
It doesn't move. If it's moving, we cannot
Okay.
fix it again.
Gelin abi de.
Now, Angus, before you go, Emil, where do you want it, buddy?
At the entrance, not in the room, just at the entrance. If I fill them, they might be pretty heavy, right?
Yeah.
So I think like,
But this is for two persons.
yeah,
Yeah.
like this it's okay. Hello everyone, my name is Emil Ghiță, I'm from Romania. It was a great experience to be part of Dupini art residency. Here in this room, it is my work. It is related to the memory of the space, but I was also interested to bring an insertion, to make an insertion of nature in this human building that most of it was abandoned for some time, and now some birds and other animals are making here their home. So mainly, yeah, this is my work about it. Like this insertion, I was interested in also, I recorded sounds, so it's most of like an immersive experience for the public. And it's a place where I wished people to come and stay for 1-2 minutes and meditate, see this beautiful view outside of the forest, and feel this room, also its past and also its present, and maybe the future.
No picture, nothing.
12,000 I can buy 12,
But here it's much cheaper.
Yes, of course.
but I must change.
Yeah, every Every month he wants.
И ние сме сложили едни легени, за да си правим гласа, защото е добро.
Това верно е машина за човек.
Make a chain.
Думата, ако сте сигурни. Баща големи винтове и бургер за дърво, тия винтове имаш ли?
Да, бе, ще скочи един вътре. Ето тук има място.
Добре. Ам къга после.
Ами да, къга. Опа!
Идай.
I don't know. Let me think. I think these kind of places gives us defined time and defined space for artists to really create outside of the daily life. I think we get easily caught up in the other things that we do, that we have to do, because it's not enough to just create art on the financial aspect. And those things take so much mental load that, or at least I can speak personally, but I think other artists would relate, is that there's so much mental load for other things that we can't, or at least I can't, take that space and that time to create. So for me, having such a space like Tupini, or I don't know, I'm sure there are other places around the world that create this kind of symposium is amazing to have an exchange of free ideas, of creative ideas between new artists like me or artists who have a lot of background in creative creations, especially on the international scene. And yeah, having that support, be it material or practical, to create, so that the team of Tupini make whatever idea you have happen is kind of crazy, I have to say. So yeah, I hope that I will find such a place in my own country, back in Belgium, to be able to connect more and to be inspired. And I think that it's not only for the artists, because those artworks, because it is land art, is accessible to everyone. That's, I think, the kind of amazing thing that's about land art. It's not between four walls or in a museum. It is accessible. And I think, for example, mine, the loom is a way of bringing back a traditional craft that's so specific that not many people do it nowadays. And I'm bringing that practice in nature where everyone can do it. So I think it's a lot of time, creativity, and materials that artists take.
Okay, I'm Ivan Smith from UK. I was delighted to be invited by Popper. Popper and I have gone back a long way, but without ever meeting. We've participated in many the same residencies all around the world, but never at the same time. So it was a delight to finally meet him and his family. The title of the project inspired me. I couldn't wait to get to the river on the first day, and the beauty of it was that we were able to swim and really enjoy the flow of the river. And my work is called Float, and that it was a gentle provocation, gentle relationship between man-made and nature. And I employed metal sticks, which is the man-made, and stones from the river.
Ако нямаше този симпозиум, това населено място и всичките около него щяха да бъдат абсолютно забравени.
Допини за мен е един нов поглед върху изкуството, който свързва човека и природата, което на мен ми направи много силно впечатление още първия път, като бях тук. На мен ми открива нов просто поглед, нов начин да разбирате ли. Да.
Я Сашку бросила.
Good to meet you again. Hey.
Иллюстрация. Да ти свири да пушим заедно. Що сам не е сладко, сам е някаква мъка. Така добре ли? Да.